Hi everybody, this is Emma at Pixies Productions. We are going to turn this blank today. This is for one of the customers, she's already paid for it. We know what design she wants, so we will start. So now the pen is no longer a square blank, it is a cylinder. I've done some markings on the pen where I want detail, and then I'm going to finally shape the whole pen into a diamond painting pen where we can add the single tape on one end and the multiple end on the other. So here we go. Now I've got the shape of the diamond painting pen ready, I'm now going to go and sand it. I start with ordinary sandpaper and then you use the micro mesh sandpaper, and that's how we get the perfect finish, and it'll end up being dead smooth with no scratches. To explain what I just did then, I used my micro mesh, which I showed you in the video, which are these, and these are the gradients. Went from the top to the bottom, and then finally you get the pen that I showed you in the video. Thank you.